Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told that there is a relationship between the number of shoppers per minute and the time that they spend in the store. And the relationship is that the average number of shoppers in the store at any time, n, is equal to the number of shoppers per minute times the number of minutes. So if we have 3 shoppers per minute staying for 15 minutes, the total is 3 times 15, which is 45. We're told that at a certain store, we have 84 shoppers per hour, and they spend an average of 5 minutes in the checkout line. So this is our rate, this is our time, and you might want to go and just plug this in, but notice the R in this equation is shoppers per minute, and we're given shoppers per hour. So if we have 84 shoppers per hour, we have to do a unit conversion. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So if we multiply this by 1 hour over 60 minutes, we're basically just multiplying this by 1, right? It's like 6 times 4 divided by 4. Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so you're basically just multiplying it and it stays the same value. But you get a different denominator if you don't simplify. That's what we're doing here, because we get 84 divided by 60, plug it in your calculator, you get 1.4 shoppers. But now the unit on the denominator isn't hours, it's in minutes, which is what we want. R is the shoppers per minute. So N for this shortened store, it's going to be R, which is the shoppers per minute, which is 1.4. N is equal to 1.4 times, and these shoppers spend an average of 5 minutes each. So T is 5, since T is the shoppers in the average time. So then when we calculate, we just have to multiply these two. So N is equal to 1.4 times 5, which is 7. So at any time, on average, there are 7 shoppers waiting in the checkout line to make a purchase at this specific store. 7 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.